This video is about adding a daytime running light module to a 95 Bronco. Just recently purchased and imported from Phoenix, Arizona. And in order to meet the Canadian out of province requirements, it needs daytime running lights. So I've got the module and look to install and see if it works out. So here we are with a 95 Ford Bronco looking to add a daytime running light module. Now apparently in the US version, there's supposed to be a harness where you can just put in a module, and it's supposed to be located on the driver's side near the front radiator. So if you look closely, I did manage to find it, and I'm not quite sure if you can kind of see it. There's right there, you can kind of see the harness. I'll try to point to it. Right here, this right here. You're just gonna have to pull that off. It's got a harness or a push pin, and it's obviously got a blank on the end of it. So I'll pull that out, and then we'll see if that's the connection for the daytime running light module. That looks like the type of connection and where it's supposed to be located. Well, here you go. We've located the wiring harness on the radiator, near the front of the radiator on the driver's side, just located deep in there. Obviously, it had a plug in here. And here is the daytime running light module I got from Rock Auto. It's I believe it's LDM 100. Yeah, there you go. I'll put it in the video as well too. So I removed this blank. So basically, with any luck, this should be just a plug and play, and it's only going to go in one direction because it's got tabs, and you'll hear it snap into place. So we'll give it a test. Now, according to the manual, the car should be started. I believe in gear. Actually, just let me double check that. It just says the vehicle is running, has a fully released park brake, and the headlamps should be in the off position, and that should give us daytime running lights. So let's give it a try, and fingers crossed that it works. Here we are, ready to start to see if the module works the way it's supposed to. So in order to check that out, the lights are supposed to be off, the headlights, which they are. I'm supposed to start the vehicle. And once you disengage the park brake, the lights are supposed to come on. So let's start it up and see what happens. So no headlights currently, but we do have the emergency brake on. So we'll disengage that, and hopefully the lights come on. And they do. So perfect. Press the park brake, and they go off. So the module and the install is working the way it's supposed to. So there's a quick and easy way to convert an American Bronco to get daytime running lights and hopefully pass inspection. So thanks.